Hello folks, it's your old pal Mac, back puttering around in the shop again. Sunday, so all by myself. Couldn't find anybody to go fishing, so I thought, well, I'll just putter around in the shop. So you may notice behind me, I got my garage door changed last week. Went to a half size door, half the size of the one I had before. So I pretty well got it finished inside here. I've just got to come up with some siding for outside and it'll be done. I didn't paint that up there yet. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing up there yet. I think I'm going to put some kind of a shelf in there. And I might make some kind of heavy duty one where I can put my smaller anvils up there. But we'll see. I haven't quite decided yet. So I was going to show you. So this is a handle off of an old floor jack I finally scrapped a couple of weeks ago. Actually, it was a really good floor jack. Excuse me, I had it since the 80s. Got like over 30 years out of it, so you can't complain about that. But what does this have to do with anything, you might say? Well, I'll show you. So here's my hydraulic press. I've got trouble here already. So here's my hydraulic press. I've got this handier now. It's on wheels. It's in a better spot. I made up these arbor adapters. Very handy. But one thing's quite annoying is the handle. I've always put the handle up here, and invariably it falls off. So I'm making up this little holder for the side for the handle, and I needed a bit of tubing to put this into. Kind of started on this, so this is going to go like that, and then I'm going to make a couple of rings out of this for this to drop into. And so the bottom is, this part of the bottom is necked down a bit, so I'm going to cut that off. That'll keep the handle from falling through. And then the handle will always be there. It's not a hugely complicated thing, but it's definitely handy. Because how many times have I lost this? Or not been able to find it? Quite a few. So anyways, that's the first thing I'm up to. Okay, so I got my metal chop saw here, cut-off saw. It's a cold cut saw. I'm just going to cut a couple of sections of this tubing up. Yeah, 2 inches should be good. Now, face mask would be good too. There we go. Don't want any errant sparks. So that'll be the bottom one. As I said, it's necked down a bit, keeps the handle from falling through. Another one 2 inches approximately. Just recycling at its finest. So my old jack handle here, it's going to be part of the press now, and the rest of it, well, I'm sure I'm going to find a use for it somewhere. Saw's a little bit wobbly there. I noticed it's got rubber feet on it. It's got 6 rubber feet on it. But I'm down to 5 now apparently. And I'm hoping I'll run across it in here, but doesn't look good. So probably have to take the rest of them off or something like that, just to even it up. It's not too serious, just a little annoying. I need to make myself one of those third hand things to pin something like this down. Magnets don't always work the best. I need a nice cover for my welder. Miller makes these nice blue covers that go over your welders, protects them. So if any Miller people are watching, anybody that works for Miller that's watching, Okay, so we'll take it over for a little test fit here. Okay, so far so good. Now, get this guy on there. Okay, test fit. Let it smoke clear a bit. Well, I can't believe this. Shed fire too. Look in. Shed fire. I can't believe that. Just watching that video this morning about Ian having a fire in his shed. And I just started a rag on fire underneath there. Unbelievable. So that was quite interesting. I had that rag in that bucket underneath my welding table and I set it on fire. So I definitely can't give Ian Matthews a bad time now. I guess that was kind of karma there for me laughing at Ian about setting his shed on fire.
And that you wanted to get the mountain bike out.
Okay, so it's all done.
Sophie's made the broccoli.
Not the most complicated thing ever, but nope, just a minute. I'm watching chat while I'm doing this.
Shopkeepers pull across their doors, so you could do a robbery and put it round.
Okay, I had Dusty Blonde's vlogs on, so I had to turn that down. So anyways, it's done. It's not the most complex thing ever devised, but definitely handy. So now I shouldn't be searching for this handle anymore. So other than the fire, went pretty good. I blame Ian Matthews for that fire, by the way. So anyways, that's it. Onward.